This is how you can set up the automation inside of your SailGen account to send out hundreds and thousands of WhatsApp messages using API to your potential customers. The first thing you need to do is obviously be logged into your SailGen account. Just simply click over here. You can log in with your email and your password. Pretty simple and self-explanatory. Once you've logged in, you'll probably be in the launchpad where you can see like the 30,000 feet overview of your account and everything. After that, you need to go over to automations. So over here, you can see there's this field known as automation. Simply click over here. Once you're here, now you might see like different folders and everything because as time passes, we're obviously going to add more stuff. We're obviously going to add more automated systems, shop systems, like everything is going to be better. But I can guarantee you're going to find a folder which is known as outbound. You simply need to click on this folder named outbound. Over here, you can see you probably will see more systems over here as we add more automated systems for outbound as well inside of SailGen. But right now, I probably can guarantee you're going to see a folder over here which is known as WhatsApp API. Just simply click on WhatsApp API. Once you're here, you can see there's going to be this workflow called WhatsApp API outreach. You simply need to click on this WhatsApp API outreach. Just click on it. And now we need to make a couple of changes. Over here, you can see there's going to be this one thing which is known as delay between messages, where we basically have to set how much of a delay, like how much of a gap there should be between the messages. So over here, if it says like 1 over here, this means that we will send out a message, then wait for a minute, and then the next message will go out. If we have like a 2-minute gap, then we're going to send a message, it's going to wait for 2 minutes, and then the next message is going to be sent out. So this is basically what we're doing, just setting the exact delay and the exact amount of gap which we want to add between the messages. And one thing, like I've actually created like an AI prompt which will help you figure out how much of a gap you should be adding over here. So simply click on this, go over to the post and just copy this prompt exactly as it is. Go to any AI model of your choice. I'm just going to go to the old trusted ChatGPT. Just paste it, and over here you can like replace this part with the total number of messages you want to send in a day. So let's say I wanted to send like 250 messages or like 200 messages, and over here you specify how many hours you want to send the messages in between of. So for example, for most of you it's probably going to be like 8 to 10 hours, because you probably will be messaging people between like let's say 10 a.m. in the morning to maybe like 5 p.m. So you're going to have like 7 to 10 hours of time. So basically over here, you replace this with the number of messages you want to send out. And over here, you just write how many hours you want to send the messages in between of. So if I want to send like 200 messages in a span of 10 hours, I'm going to write 10. If I want to send out like 200 messages in a span of 8 hours, I'm just going to write that, and ChatGPT will give you how much of a delay there should be. So yeah, after that it's going to do the math, and it will tell me that there has to be a 2-minute 24-second delay. So let's say I was doing that, I just come over to the SailGen account, and over here I'll just write like 2.24, 2 minutes and 24 seconds, and this is the delay which I want to be added. So just click on save action, and over here to the top right corner click on save as well. Right now I'm just gonna keep it to 1, because yeah, if I change this, like everything, like your all workflows will be changed as well. So yeah, just that. After that, below this, like this is the last step. I know it's actually really freaking simple. You need to click over here where it says the main message, which is basically the message you want to send out from WhatsApp. And over here, there are going to be like this field known as select from phone number. I don't have WhatsApp API set up and active in this account. And yeah, in your account, you obviously watch all the videos of this course or the previous videos related to how you can set up WhatsApp API, get a number, all of that stuff. And you have connected your number, like you have connected at least one number to WhatsApp, and if you've connected multiple, you need to choose one number from which you're going to be sending out the messages. So over here, once you click on this, right now it says nothing, but over here, if you're doing it in an account where you have set everything up properly, you have connected your phone numbers, you have connected WhatsApp to the phone number, everything, you can see multiple phone numbers or like one phone number which you've connected to WhatsApp. You simply need to click on that. Just select the phone number from which you're going to be sending out the messages. And after that, I also have created like an entire video on what are WhatsApp templates and what type of template, like how you can create templates, how you can get it approved from Meta. So over here, like if you go over to the SalesGen channel, there's a entire playlist on this. So come over to playlist, and there's this playlist called WhatsApp API Outreach. So I've shown you like how to create like templates and everything. Actually, the videos are in the wrong order, so I'll just arrange them properly fast. Yeah, number 3. Number 4. So I've created templates for everything. How to set up the WhatsApp API in SalesGen for outreach, how to connect the numbers and everything, how you can set up your profile, what are templates, how you can create templates, and we also got them approved from Meta. So all of the templates, as you can see over here, which have been approved from Meta, will be available in the drop down menu. So you can simply select one out of all the different templates which are available, whichever you want to use for reaching out to customers from here. And once you've done that, once you've selected the number, once you've selected like the WhatsApp template, you simply need to click on save action over here. Just click on save action and you're pretty much good to go. That's literally all you had to do. You just had to like add the correct amount of delay between the messages, like how many minutes of a gap we should add, and what are the total number of, like in the main message you have to select the phone number from when the message has to be sent out, and the exact WhatsApp template which you want to use for sending out the message, and just click on save and ensure the workflow is published. And that's all you had to do. It was as simple as that. I know. If you have any questions, any problems related to this, just simply click on this post and just reply to this post with a comment, or just create like a new post, and we'll be more than happy to get back to you and help you out with the same thing. Bye bye, man. Take care. Have a lovely, awesome, fantastic day ahead. Bye.